For a decade now, the Our Cebu program of the Cebu Provincial Government has made significant contributions in effecting meaningful and lasting changes in the province of Cebu. In 2008, the Cebu Provincial Government partnered with the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Inc. in coming up with a program that assesses the core strengths as well as areas of improvement of its component cities and municipalities through a scorecard. Since then, the Our Cebu program has become one of the flagship programs of the province and institutionalized through Provincial Board Resolution Number 288-13 and Provincial Ordinance Number 2013-18.
The Our Cebu program enables the Cebu Provincial Government to formulate effective projects and policies that are most needed in each town and city, all of which are articulated in the 6 key development agenda, a roadmap in making the province a livable and sustainable Cebu.
Akong nakatunan sa Our Cebu program isip usa ka evaluator kay dili lang gyud ta mohunong sa atoang pagpaningkamot sa paghatag og serbisyo publiko sa atong katawhan. Usa sad sa pinakaimportante na kong nakatunan kay dili lang gyud kita maningkamot tungod kay naatay premyo nga gihuwat sa unahan, pero manaa or walay contest, manaa or wala ang Our Cebu, buhaton ni nato para sa kaayuhan sa atoang katawhan, para sa Kalambuan sa Matag Sugbuanon.
For me, the RRM is a shared responsibility and everybody is required to fill in the gaps towards resiliency, proactive resiliency that is. In addition, I think the biggest challenge on my part was changing the mindset and perception of the LGUs about the RRM from being reactive to proactive.
Over the years, RAFI as the main program partner and member of the Program Management Unit serves as the program process holder and scorecard consolidator. We ensure that assessment result is reliable and fair. Though we encountered several challenges, we are happy to provide the necessary technical assistance needed by the PMU Secretariat and assessment team in the implementation of the program.
The Our Cebu scorecard is very important for us, especially for the Provincial Disaster Risk Management Office, because it is a kind of building on what we have started, like the building on resilience, sustainability of what we have done, like the scorecard on what LGU that needs to be supported in terms of strengthening or capacity building, and LGUs that are really that must be maximized in terms of support to other LGUs.
For the scorecard formulation, we actually started from the very basic standards required by the national government agencies, and then every year we raise the bar, make it sure that all the utilities and the facilities are in compliance with national standards. Based on the scorecard, we make sure that it is validated on the ground. There should be a ocular inspection and validation by the PPO team, aside from the evaluator.
For this year, we see a lot of innovations being introduced to the program, and these are the coaching and the mentoring process, a revised awarding system and financial grants to enable faster processing of results. We are now using a web-based evaluation tool that can be accessed by the participating LGUs. But the most important innovation is the shift from the scorecard grading to the rubric scaling system, allowing us to focus more on the quality of development programs initiated by the local government units.
Since 2016, the Our Cebu Program awarding ceremony always opens with the Our Cebu Program Partners Conference dubbed as Dev Talks. Dev Talks showcases the good practices in utilizing the results of the Our Cebu Program assessments. It is a convergence of development and empowered voices that tackle relevant information, trends, and innovations in community development.
We started Dev Talks last 2016 to provide a platform where mayors, local chief executives, department heads, and local leaders from the communities would engage with each other and talk about ways to promote and mainstream good governance at the local level. This is also an opportunity to identify effective program initiatives that can be immediately implemented to make their towns and cities more inclusive and sustainable based on the standards of a livable Cebu.
Our Cebu, very important sa amoa, tukad pa sa una, kay sila ang at least nitabang na mo, guide na mo, asa may depita nagkulang, asa may depita ni Excel. So, guide na mo nga, o di imi ni Excel, amo lang i-maintain, kung di imi nagkuwang, amo i-step up or i-improve.
Ang gilantaw kini nga dako nga utang kaubuton sa lungsod nato o sa iyang katawhan nga napukaw pagbalik ang ato ang hangop sa mga programa sa probinsya pinaagi sa Our Cebu Program.
This year's forum, local government units will showcase their emerging good practices, highlighting the Our Cebu Program attributes.
I enjoin our local chief executives and officials to come and listen to stories of success from our partners during DevTalks 2019. Together, we can learn from each other, replicate the good practices, and continue to work side by side aron atong makabot ang atong tinguha nga Kalambuan sa Matag Sugbuanon.